Alright, in this video we're going to test out this new Mustang Seat. It's new to me. My buddy Sammy uses it for two-up riding, and he swears that it is absolutely comfortable. So I'm doing just one-up riding. I'm going to test it out. I have not tried this out before, and I've been testing out different options for riding with wifey. The options I've had before, a bit firm for her. This supposedly has more cushion, so I'm just going to assess me and give you my overall impressions on it, and let you hear the sound of this amazing engine. It's absolutely beautiful out now. It's about 47 degrees, and it is Thanksgiving, so if you're watching this, happy Thanksgiving, or by the time you're watching it, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. So if any of you have this seat, the Mustang Seat specifically, leave it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Give you a nice cold start. Nice. I've got the best ND Ridge gloves. Absolutely love them. So as soon as you sit on it, it feels, very plush. It's got that almost like a backrest on there, which feels really nice. Let's go. Yeah, that backrest option back there gives you some really good protection, especially from moving back, which I like. And it feels nice and plush. Now, Sammy's had this seat for a while, so I'm not sure if this is the same, if there's a break-in period for this. Through all these bumps, it feels really plush. I gotta think if it's this comfortable in the back, wifey's gonna be really comfortable back there. Absolutely my favorite time of the year. I'm sure, like many of you, this is a time for reflection and feeling absolutely grateful, as I do, for my health, my family, my friends. I am just absolutely blessed. And although I practice on being grateful every day, I think it's important to me, and it's a routine that I do daily. I particularly reflect a bit more during this time of Thanksgiving for us here in the U.S. And we're just approaching 7,000 subscribers. It's been a very slow journey for me, but an upwards one nonetheless, which I value and appreciate. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Would value and appreciate you joining the channel. Lots of video, over 300 videos in the video library, and at minimum I'm doing at least one video a week. I have slowed down a bit just because different priorities and different things going on, but at minimum I'm doing one video a week, sometimes I'm sorry, at minimum I'm doing once a month, and I actually maintained one video a week for 3 years consecutively, which is great. And I may go back to that, but nonetheless, would love to have you. And thank you to those that are subscribed and continue to watch the channel. Love this bike. I cannot believe I've had this bike for about 5 years. It'll be 5 years exactly April of 2026. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It'll be 6 years exactly in April. That's when I bought the bike. Right before the whole country shut down because of COVID. Sight unseen, my dream bike. I said, you know what? If the world is going to end, and remember that was speculation back then. Let's might as well get my dream bike, which is this particular CVO, this particular color. And man, I still absolutely love this bike. Of course, the newer ones are nice, it's great, but they don't speak to me like this one does. At least not yet. So quick update, the seat is just very, very plush. I would say a bit more plush than some of the other options, whether it's stock or some of the other seats that you've seen me post on the channel. So, and obviously, in case you're wondering, I've ridden a lot longer with the seat. I'm only showing you this short video. Tell you, two things stand out for me. Number one is that backrest is perfect and it's very comfortable, so it doesn't it's not stiff on your lower back and on your tailbone, which is critical. And then number two, it's very plush, very, very comfortable. So look, I'm going to continue to ride it, and more importantly, when I ride it with wifey, I'm going to come back and give you my full review on it and let you know what I think, and more importantly, let you know if I want to actually stick with this seat for two-up riding specifically. For my kind of riding, all of the other seats I have, I absolutely love. I think they're absolutely comfortable. Just looking for something a bit more plush for wifey. And that's why I'm trying out this one specifically, because again, my buddy Sammy swears by it. He uses it, the only time he uses it is for two-up riding with his wife. Nice short video giving you my first impressions of this seat. Ride for a little bit longer and get ready for an amazing, amazing meal with family and friends. Again, like I shared, it is Thanksgiving for us here. I hope all of you had a great one. You will be watching us sometime after Thanksgiving, of course.